In a bold and strategic move, Ukraine has reportedly struck a critical facility deep within Russian territory. The target wasn't just any military base. It was the Alabuga Special Economic Zone in Tatarstan, home to Russia's only factory producing optical fiber. This isn't just a random attack. It's a calculated strike aimed at crippling a key component of Russia's military-industrial complex. So why is this specific factory so important? Optical fiber is the backbone of modern communication and advanced technology. It's essential for everything from high-speed data transmission to the sophisticated guidance systems used in drones, missiles, and other precision-guided munitions. By hitting this facility, Ukraine is targeting the very nervous system of Russia's war machine. This factory in Alabuga was also known for its production of Duran-2 drones, the Russian version of the Iranian Sheit drones. These have been a constant menace, used in swarms to terrorize Ukrainian cities. Taking out the production line for both the drones and the essential fiber optics they rely on is a double blow. It disrupts the supply of current weapons and hamstrings the development of future, more advanced systems. The attack, which reportedly took place over 800 miles from the Ukrainian border, showcases Ukraine's growing long-range strike capabilities. It sends a clear message to Moscow: no part of your war industry is safe. This isn't just about destroying a single factory. It's about systematically dismantling Russia's ability to sustain its aggression. The psychological impact is also significant. For a long time, the conflict felt distant for many within Russia. Attacks this deep inside their territory shatter that illusion of security. It demonstrates Ukraine's resolve and ingenuity, proving they can reach targets previously thought to be invulnerable. This strike on the Alabuga facility represents a new phase in the conflict. It's a shift from purely defensive actions to proactive, strategic dismantling of the enemy's war-making potential. By targeting the high-tech heart of Russia's military production, Ukraine is fighting a smarter war, aiming to achieve a lasting advantage on the battlefield. We'll be watching closely to see the long-term effects of this audacious operation. Thanks for watching. If you found this update informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Stay safe.